How to get started in tech with no experience. Self-doubt is so real, especially watching your friends go from beginner to expert at a tech skill. And landing different roles would make you feel like, oh, you've been wasting your years. But guess what? It's not your fault. The tech industry is such a broad industry with so many options, so many opportunities, which could get you confused on what exactly to get started with. You may even have self doubt if it's too late to get started in tech, or if you'll ever catch up with people who have been in tech since early age. But the good news is, if you've been struggling to transition into tech, either as a medical doctor, a business owner, hairstylist, a core member, or as an international student, but don't know exactly how to get started, then watch this video to the very end. By the end of this video, you'll discover the most in-demand IT tech career path, job opportunities in tech space, different learning approaches you can adopt immediately as a beginner, how to market yourself and get a job. Plus, you'll be instantly given materials to help you get started. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, let's go a little bit into my background. Firstly, I would say it is never too late to get into tech, and here's why. Earlier this year, I came across a nursing mother who had a passion for tech. But the problem was she could not find her way around what exactly to do. She was stuck between choosing data analytics, blockchain development, web development, and UI UX. Now, while these career paths seem very promising and with a potential annual salary of over $100,000, making a wrong choice would cost her wasted years. After proper guidance and mentoring, she started a career in blockchain development. And just so you know, she had no experience whatsoever in tech. In fact, we can rightly say she was a tech dummy. As you might imagine, not quite long after she started, she resigned from her formal job. Best of all, she's currently sponsored by top brands in Nigeria as a guest at big conferences. We've had trainees with zero tech experience and zero tech background who are currently thriving in tech and making a lot of money. Now that you know it's 100% possible to get started in tech without any experience, let's get on to the next important point to consider that will help you make an informed decision. Let's look at most in-demand IT career paths or IT jobs. There are lots of career paths you can venture into as a beginner with a whopping annual salary of up to $200,000. Some are programming related while others aren't, and I'll be naming a few. You can start off with programming related skills such as data analytics, machine learning, blockchain development, or even cybersecurity. Also, the non-coding tech skills you can get started with right now are UI UX design, product design, and digital marketing with AI. And in this video, we'll walk you through these skills, their annual salary, and the opportunities you'd get off of these skills. This way, you'll be able to make the right decision on which career path to take and how to land your dream job. How to become a data analyst, data engineer, or even a data scientist. What if I told you that the answer to some of the world's biggest challenges, whether in healthcare, finance, or even climate change, lies hidden in plain sight but buried in data? And the only thing standing between that raw data and groundbreaking solutions is the right person to analyze it. Now, could that person be you? Did you know that the average salary for data analysts in the US is between $110,000 to $160,000 a year? And it's not stopping there. Salaries are on the rise because the demand is skyrocketing. Companies everywhere are hunting for talent that can make sense of their data, draw insights, and drive smarter decisions. The tech industry isn't slowing down, it's only getting faster, and the data is the fuel. Getting into data analytics doesn't just mean one job title. Far from it. The career opportunities are diverse. You could become a data analyst, machine learning engineer, data scientist, or business intelligence developer. Each role offers its own challenges and rewards, but they all share one thing: the chance to work on meaningful projects. From predicting customer behavior to enhancing healthcare systems, every sector needs data experts. What's even more exciting? The future potential. Gartner predicts that by 2026, over 75% of organizations will shift from piloting to operationalizing AI. Companies are already investing heavily in data capabilities, but here's the kicker: they are still struggling to find enough qualified professionals. It's not just about jumping into a hot trend, it's about securing a career that stays relevant and evolves. Think about it. Every time a business needs to understand customer behavior, improve operational efficiency, or forecast market trends, it turns to data. This isn't a passing phase, this is a necessity. And what happens when you're one of the few who knows how to navigate the necessity? You get to dictate your own career terms. So here's the question: are you ready to position yourself at the forefront of this data driven revolution? Or will you watch from the sidelines as others seize these opportunities? It only takes a few steps to get started, and the results could change your career and your life forever. Now, let's talk becoming a machine learning engineer. Imagine being at the forefront of one of the most exciting, fast growing fields in tech. Machine learning is not just shaping the future, it's already transforming industries right now. And here's the thing: the demand for skilled machine professionals is skyrocketing. Now, let's talk about the numbers. In the US, the average salary for machine learning engineers is anywhere between $110,000 and $200,000 per year. And that's just the starting range. Senior roles, researchers, and specialized positions can push that number even higher. Imagine what this kind of financial flexibility could mean for you. And not just about the money, although that's a big part of it, right? Companies in virtually every sector are hiring right now, from healthcare to finance to automotive to e commerce. This means tons of opportunities, whether you want to work for a Silicon Valley giant, a fast growing startup, or even in academia. But what makes machine learning so exciting is the career potential. Machine learning isn't just a job, it's a field that opens doors to a variety of roles such as data scientist, AI researcher, deep learning engineer, computer vision specialist. The list goes on and on, it's endless. And as industries continue to evolve, you'll be at the center of that change because businesses are relying on AI to make better decisions, improve customer experiences, and create new products. Every company needs machine learning and the skills to implement it. Now, this is a growth market that isn't slowing down. Now, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The future of machine learning is insanely bright. We're talking about advancement in autonomous vehicles, personalized healthcare, advanced robotics, and even predictive analytics for business decisions. The way people live and work is changing rapidly, and machine learning is leading that charge. Machine learning is the driving force behind the AI revolution, and experts agree that AI technology will only continue to expand in the coming years. According to a recent report by PricewaterhouseCoopers, AI's economic impact would reach $15.7 trillion by 2030. So if you're thinking about where to focus your energy and skills, think about the incredible potential you're stepping into with machine learning. What's amazing is that you don't need to be a computer science genius to get started. With the right mindset, resources, and drive, you can start learning immediately. Now let's talk about how to pick a tech career. Picking a tech career can be a bit tricky, and this is because different career paths has its own challenges, but it's completely doable, and here is how. With a step-by-step breakdown on how to pick tech career. Firstly, think about what excites you. You could ask yourself, do you like solving problems, creating things, helping others, or working with data? There are tech roles for every personality type. Secondly, pick the role that aligns with your interests, seems exciting, and matches your strengths. Avoid trying to learn multiple fields at once. Focus on just one and get really good at it. Thirdly, find a beginner friendly, high quality course. Many are free or low cost. We've packaged multiple free beginner courses to help you get started right away. You'd find the link somewhere around this video. Moving on, practice hands-on. Then build a small portfolio. Create 2 to 3 beginner projects that showcase your skills. It doesn't have to be perfect, just show progress and practical application. Also, learn the basics of job search in tech. Learn to write a simple tech-oriented resume, include projects you've completed and any relevant skills. Lastly, apply for internships, entry-level jobs, or freelance gigs. Don't wait until you feel 100% ready. Apply for internships or junior roles when you understand the basics. Consider freelancing platforms like Expert, Upwork, Fiverr, or local tech job boards. Even simple, low paid gigs can help you gain experience. Choose one field and get started. Now that you've learned the most in-demand IT career paths, job opportunities in the tech space, different learning approaches you can adopt immediately as a beginner, and how to market yourself and get a job, it's now time to take action. We've prepared different courses for you to get started with. If you're a beginner just starting out, you can check out our free high quality basic and prerequisite courses at learn.expert.co. Or if you already know what course to enroll for, kindly go through our course catalog to access top courses. Our courses come with a recognized certification, mentorship, CV writing, and a community of learners and alumni to properly guide you into any field of your choice. Plus, you get a chance to land a job from our clients immediately after completing your training. Click the link below this video or above it to get instant access to our free basic tech courses and other resources.